So today we're going to be looking at a guide on how you can use our training planner template and how you can create sessions to make them look professional and easy to use and coach. So first of all, in the left sidebar, you're going to want to create or select the best possible pitch template that you can for your own drill. So whether this is going to be an 11v11 with half spaces or whether this is going to be a possession box, you need to choose the best pitch layout. So we will design a 4v4 plus 3 with mini goals that we will use this rectangle box for. So as this is a general base practice, we're going to be using the players on slide 1 as opposed to the players in positions on slide 2. If you were going to be creating an 11 versus 11, this slide is really easy to choose players from and just choose your positions and copy and paste them to the correct slide. In the example we're going to show a 4v4 plus 3 where we're going to be using the blue players as the outside, and all the cases here is to copy and paste 4 blue markers to the pitch. We can line them up as you see in the Keynote function. It will show you that the players are lined up correctly. And then we're going to go back onto slide 1 to get our red players, who are going to be the out of possession players inside the box. So this is going to be a box of 4. We'll have our 4 players protecting inside the box again, using the lines on Keynote to line these up to create a box. And then finally we're going to have our common players also within the practice, one on either side. As we can see, the yellow bar on Keynote is showing the outsides and we're in the middle of the pitch. And then finally we're going to have our middle common player. Just to ensure the reds are lined up centrally along with the middle of the pitch, we're going to ensure the distances remain the same from the outside and between. We'll bring these over slightly. And now it looks like the 4v4 plus 3 we're going to try to create. We also want mini goals for the inside team to score from. So to create a different colour to the players on the pitch we've got, we'll offset these just in the corners of the practice, and we can rotate these through the circle that you can see here. Rotate it till you get to the right angle that you want and position these in the corner of the pitch. So for each mini goal, we're just going to rotate so they're showing inside of the practice and facing towards the middle of the box. So we'll repeat these for the last 2. Great. So as we've done this, we've now got 4 mini goals for the inside team to score in if they win the ball, whilst the Blues must counter press if they lose the ball. We're now going to use the footballs that we've got on pitch 1 inserted where we want them placed. So we're going to position these at the top of the practice where the coach is going to stand. Now you can use a different colour for the coach. So if we put the coach in green. So now, as we can see, we've got the 4v4 plus 3, and just to add an initial for the coach, we can go on insert, text box. We'll change the text to represent C. We'll ensure this is lined up in the middle and also the text color to be white to show it clearer. We'll then move this, align it with the green circle, highlight both, group them together, and we've got our 4v4 plus 3 practice set up.